Welcome back, everybody. Things are rocking and rolling out there. Big time thunderstorms producing a lot of lightning, and that lightning has yielded a few small wildfire starts. Temperatures after hitting 90 degrees. We're at 73 right now in the capital, Great Falls. Clouds are increasing. The temperature's still pretty hot. 91, hit 97 in Great Falls for the high. The warmest day in just about a year here for the Electric City. Still right now at 98 up in Havre. Look at the 90s into eastern Montana. Slightly cooler in the western, southwestern part of the state where we've got the thunderstorms that are moving through here. The storms have even turned severe up around Kalispell, but look at all of the lightning strikes in and over the mountains, and now just beginning to come down off of the Rocky Mountain frontier. But a lot of activity here through the southwestern part of the state. As I mentioned, we've had multiple fire agencies respond to small wildfire starts here because of the thunderstorms that have gone through. This will be really nice if this band of light rain continues to move over the area, helping out the firefighters responding to those fires. Look at the heavy rain throughout the Helena Valley, out around York and Nelson, Canyon Ferry, picking up some lightning as well with the heavy thunderstorm activity coming through. A little small hail mixed in there, and still a few lightning strikes, but not as much as what we had a little more than about an hour ago. Storms to the west of Great Falls, to the south of Great Falls, out there around Geyser and Rainsford, around the Augusta area up through Choteau, Conrad, starting to see those thunderstorms move out across the Montana prairie. So here's what will happen tonight. Thunderstorms continue to move out across north central Montana here, continuing to produce lightning strikes. So the possibility of more small wildfire starts are likely here, not only through the overnight hours, but into tomorrow, because sometimes those lightning strikes, they'll hit and they'll smolder for a little while, waiting for the air to dry out and the wind to pick up. And guess what we have coming for tomorrow here? Wind really starting to increase, the humidity taking a nosedive here. So if we've got any of those lightning strikes still smoldering here on the ground, could be fanned, the smoldering spots could be fanned into full-fledged wildfires here tomorrow. Hot, dry, and windy, some storms in the eastern part of the state. Fortunately, the wind will die down a little bit as we go through Wednesday night into Thursday, and Thursday will be another breezy day, not maybe as bad as Wednesday, but notice hardly any clouds, no precipitation, low humidity again with that wind. So some gusty winds around the thunderstorms here tonight, but look at the winds spread across the state here for tomorrow. Strongest across the high line here, north central Montana. The wind dying down a little bit overnight to Wednesday night into Thursday, and Thursday will be not as windy, but still a fairly breezy day here for a lot of the state. Here's the forecast for tomorrow. A generally dry cold front passing through the state. We'll have a couple of thunderstorms out into eastern Montana. Highs only in the 70s back behind the front, Kalispell and Cut Bank, but low humidity, the wind, and after all of the thunderstorm activity here today and all of the numerous lightning strikes, sad to say there likely will be wildfire starts here overnight tonight and tomorrow in the conditions that we're looking at here. For Thursday, windy here right along the High Line, Canadian border. Temperatures staying in the 80s to near 90 degrees. Humidity remaining low here, so there is potential for wildfire growth over the next few days. Friday, the wind stays at about 10 to 15 miles per hour here. That's enough to create more issues, and temperatures will be a little hotter on Friday, up to around 90 degrees. Saturday, another cold front going through. This one mainly dry as well. There'll be a couple of isolated thunderstorms here, but this front will also create more wind here for at least the start of the weekend. Sunday looks like it will be slightly cooler and the wind dies down here, but notice that over the next 7 days, the thunderstorms really start to dry out. Just a very isolated storm possible around the capital on Saturday, then again on next Tuesday, and for Great Falls, the wind tomorrow will be an issue here. Red flag warning conditions likely are met tomorrow, and it doesn't get much better as we go through Thursday and Friday.
Okay, thanks for that, Curtis.